Good day, viewers. Welcome to CPEDU online class. Subscribe so you can get more questions whenever I post or upload a video. Today, we'll be talking on quadratic equation. So, what is a quadratic equation is? A quadratic equation is a type of polynomial equation of degree 2, typically written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So, written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are constant. So when you have anything, a equation in form of this ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we call it a quadratic equation. So how can we now solve a quadratic equation? So solve this question. We want to solve question. So how can we solve a quadratic equation? We can solve a quadratic equation by factorization. We can solve a quadratic equation by completing the square method. You can solve quadratic equation by quadratic formula. I will start from factorization. We have solve. I have one here. Solve 6x squared minus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. We want to solve this 6x squared minus 13x plus 6 by what? By factorization method. So when we talk about factorize, it means factorization. It means we factors of the numbers, the product of the number. That's what we are talking about factorization. So first thing we need to do is we have to multiply the first term. The coefficient of x squared is what? Is 6. The coefficient of the last term is also 6. We have to multiply the first term to the last term. We get 6.6 36, and our second term is what? Minus 13. From here, we will now find a number, two numbers that we are going to add together, that we are going to minus together, that we are going to add and minus together. That's going to give us what? 36 and minus 13. So we find the two number. Two number is 9 and 4. If you put minus here, minus 0. If you add minus 9 minus 4, you get what? Minus 13. And if you multiply minus 9 times minus 4, you get what? 36. It means our two factors is what? Minus 9 and minus 4. Factors is the addition and the multiplication of that number. So for me now, so our minus 13x will now replace minus 4 minus 9. So we now go like this: 6x squared minus 9s minus 4s plus 6 is equal to 0. 6s squared minus 9s minus 4s is equal to 6. So from here, by grouping, we have to group it. So we group it into pair. So pair means 2. We have to group 6s minus 9. We have to group it. So how can we group this? So what do we have here? We have 6x. So 6s minus 9s. Then we have what? Minus 4s plus 6. So we have to group it. So it's equal to what? 0. So for me now, so we now do 6s squared. Sorry, we have 6s squared here. So we have to what? Find a number that what can go in 6 and what can go in x. So we have what? Common factors of it. The common factors of 6x squared minus 9. We have what? 3x. So we have to 3x times this, we get this. So we have to have x here minus what? 3. So From there, you have to find the common factors of minus 4 and plus 6. What is that one also? So 2 is common between them. We have what? 2s minus 3. If you multiply this to here, we get minus 2s times 2x. Minus 2 times 2s, we have minus 4s. Minus times minus, we have plus. 2 times 6 is equal to 0. So from here, we have gotten this. If you look this and this, they are the same thing. Since they are the same thing, we will take it at once. So 3x and minus 2, it will come. So we now have what? 3x minus 2 first. Since 2x minus 3 and this, they are the same thing. 2x minus 3 is equal to what? 0. So what are we going to do next? So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here we have 3x is equal to what? 0 plus 2. So we take the constant term to the other term. So or 2x 0 plus 3. So from here we have what? We have 3x is equal to 2, or 2x is equal to 3. So if we divide this one by 3, if we divide this by 2, so we have what? This will cancel. We have s is equal to what? 2 over 3, or this one 2 into 1, or s is equal to what? 3 over 2. So these are the two factors. That is, our s is equal to 2 over 3, or s is equal to 3 over 2. Watch my next class, next video, on other ways in solving factorization, quadratic equation. Thanks.